Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you love the taste of amaretto, you've got to check out this syrup for your coffee.
I love using this gourmet amaretto syrup for my coffee. Of course, you can use it in so many different things, but what I love about it is, first of all, that perfect amaretto taste. If you're familiar with amaretto, then you know all about it, but it's got that amazing almond cookie taste to it. You can check out that beautiful amaretto color in this. I love it because I can control how much I put in. I put in a little too much this time, but if you don't like your coffee too sweet, then you are in full control of how much you put in this because you're making it at home. And it is so cost effective to do that. The amaretto smell is incredible and the flavor is so good. Sometimes I'll actually just put a little capful right into the coffee as I'm brewing it, and then you're getting that awesome flavor throughout. So this is just so much fun. The ingredients are amazing and simple, and it's a great way to make a fun coffee at home.
This is one of my favorite flavors, and I love being able to make fun coffees at home. I think you're going to have fun with it too, but that's just my point of view.